A word?
Huh?
A word. A word, honey. Hey everybody, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I went from this tragic to this in just a few short minutes, so keep on watching. Okay guys, so firstly what I did was I split my hair into two halves, a front half and then a back half. This makes things so much easier when you have short thick hair like mine. It doesn't really fit into a nice slick and sleek ponytail with just one ponytail holder, so honey, I had to fake it till I made it. Amen. Okay, so you always want to start on the top section of your hair, like closest to your hairline. So that front section, pretty much that ponytail you're going to place there determines how close to or far away from your forehead your bun is. So if you want a super cute top knot bun, you definitely want to make your bun a little closer to your forehead than normal. But I'm pretty much just starting off just wetting my hair with some water, and then I'm going to take a hard bristle brush and just brush all the hairs into the same direction. Next, I'm going to be taking some Eco Styler gel. Yes, honey. This gel is the olive oil one that comes in a green container, and let the church just say amen, because this stuff is my holy grail. I use this very often in a lot of my natural hairstyles, and it does me just fine. So just gonna take a little bit of that, and then you're gonna take your hard bristle brush and just work that in so that everything is nice and tight. Okay, so now you want to figure out where you want your bun to sit. Right here is where you're going to determine how close or far to your hairline your bun is going to be. So if you want a top knot bun, you want to place it like a little past the center of your head, like a little closer to your forehead than the center, and then just clip the end hairs away so that they don't get caught in the back section. Alright, so for the back section, you're pretty much going to be doing the same thing to start. You're going to wet your hair with a little bit of water, go in with your hard bristle brush, and then shortly after that, you're going to add a little bit of your Eco Styler gel or whatever gel you decide to use. And the back section is just a little bit different, but you'll see. Okay, so if you pull your back section up, right here is where you're going to get like an overview of what your bun is going to look like, right? Nice and flat. So now you're going to split that back section into three parts. One on the left side, one on the right side, and one in the middle. Now, if you have thicker hair like mine, this makes this step very easy because it won't be lumpy and bumpy back there. So you're just going to take that middle section first and connect it to the top half ponytail, if that makes sense. Like wrap your second ponytail holder over top of the first one, and then with the two remaining sides, the left and the right side, you're going to brush it up, make sure everything is nice and flat, and then you're going to tie everything all together so you have one sturdy ponytail. So yes, there are mistakes that happen when you're doing your hair, and no, I was not taking that whole bun out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bobby pin and I'm going to bobby pin that very close to my ponytail so that you can't see it. And amen, we're just going to move on as if that never happened. Okay? Okay guys, so this section you're going to use to get the height of your bun. So you want to separate your hair, your ponytail, into two sections, one half having more hair in it than the other. So the section that has the more hair in it, you want to use for the height of your bun. So you're going to wrap that side around, going across the front, and bobby pin the back of that in. And then for the other half that's sticking out of the top, you just want to go in the opposite direction of the direction you just went, if that makes any sense. Hopefully it did. And then you're just going to bobby pin that section down. So pretty much you want to make sure that one section is a lot bigger than the other section. That way, depending on what size bun you want, you can achieve that look you're going for. Okay, so this last step was just optional. I just added another ponytail holder just to ensure a little bit of extra security, making sure it wasn't going to unravel or nothing like that. Because, child, you know, it wasn't fake until you make it bun. But anyway, now those extra pieces that are hanging out, you can either tuck them in or leave them how they are, depending on what look you're going for. But we're going to get into these grown adult hairs. I don't call my edges baby hairs because they are far from babies. They don't listen. They do what they want. They are unruly. So I'm going to show you guys what I do. I first take a little bit of Eco Styler gel and just rub that across the front with a toothbrush, and then I use the Cream of Nature argan oil with the red top. That's the only one that works for me. The yellow top does not work for these edges because they just too grown for their own good. But then I'm going to go over top of that Eco Styler gel with just a little bit of that edge control. And then we're going to try to swoop. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but just stay and see. Yeah, so these little swoops, I don't know, it may work for some of y'all, but me and mine's, honey, no, it just wasn't working, so I ain't beat. But thank you guys for so much for watching my video. You know, I gotta be ghetto right here, but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed how I did my top knot on some thick natural short hair, and I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.